Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are safe during COVID-19. Today's video is about a small Nykaa haul, the stuff that I purchased from Nykaa during the lockdown period, and my friend Amrita was kind enough to get it for me from India. So let's begin with the video. Let's start with the skincare. The first thing which I purchased is from Pond's. It's called as Pond's White Beauty Cream. This cream is not available here in UAE, so I just stocked it up. I got 3 of them. It's a very good moisturizer. It actually helped in fading my small pimple scars which I had on my face. So I quite like this moisturizer. This retails for 240 rupees. So 3 of them. Then I purchased. The next product that I purchased is Iraya's Kumkumadi Radiance Gel. I have been wanting to buy this product from quite some time. This retails for 545 rupees and it has extracts of saffron, turmeric and manjishta, which is very good for the skin. I started using it already and it hasn't given me any breakouts though. So I'm yet to give a review on this product because I just started using it recently. So hopefully I'll make a new video on this once I'm satisfied with the product. Then I purchased this Nykaa Wonderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Butter. I haven't tried using it yet. This is how it looks. And the smell is quite good actually. It has a sweet fragrance. I was expecting it to be a bit floral, but it has a sweet fragrance. This retails for 550 rupees. Nice packaging, but nice stuff. Then I purchased this Nykaa from the Nykaa Soap Story Rose and Almond handcrafted bathing bar. I've not yet used this, but it smells quite good even without the packaging. It has a jute bag inside which the soap is. So I'll just open it and show. So this is how the soap looks. It's pink in color because of the rose extract. And it has almond oil also in this. So I'm yet to use this soap. Once I use it, I'll make a video on my views about this product. So that's done. The next product that I purchased is a lip balm from the Face Shop. This is the mango flavored lip balm. I already have a shea butter one and I totally love it. It's a very moisturizing lip balm and I would definitely want to try this. This retails for 405 rupees, which is a bit on the expensive side, but it's worth it. Then the next product which I purchased is a lip liner from Maybelline. It's called as Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. This is in the shade Rich Chocolate and this retails for 350 rupees. So I'm yet to try this. I haven't opened the packaging as you can see. I'll definitely try this and I hope that this shade is pretty. Then the next thing that I purchased is this liquid lipstick from Maybelline. It's called as Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Made Easy. It's a very pretty shade. That's the one which I'm wearing today on my lips. It's a beautiful shade, but the only drawback is the staying power is not at all good. Like the minute you eat something, it just vanishes. So if you're expecting a long-lasting liquid lipstick, then this is not the right choice. But the shade is very pretty. If you don't eat anything for a long time, this lipstick stays on your lips. The next thing I purchased is another lipstick from Maybelline from their Loaded Bolds collection. This shade is called as 07 Dynamite Red. It's a very pretty shade. Yeah, it's a bold shade. As you can see, it's very bright, but it's a very pretty red. I think this will go across all the skin tones. It's a very pretty color. And this Loaded Bold lipstick retails for 475, and I forgot to mention the price for this one. This lipstick retails for 349 rupees. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. The next thing that I purchased from Nykaa is this Nykaa Wink in a Blink eyeliner. I quite love to make winged eyeliner, so I thought I'll definitely try this. So as you can see, this comes with a wink. This is like a stamp you put on the corner of your eyes. So it gives you the direction how to draw the liner. And this side is the pen, the felt pen tip liner. So it's quite easy to draw winged eyeliner using this. So the next thing that I purchased is this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. It's called as Swiss Beauty Art Mousse eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade 01. It has such beautiful shades in it. These are the mousse eyeshadows, it means creamy ones. I don't think they have any matte eyeshadows in this palette. I would definitely want to try this at the earliest, and I'll make a video on this as well. This one retails for, it retails for 349 rupees, which is a steal actually, guys. In 349 rupees, which eyeshadow palette are you gonna get? And this, I just want to try whether there are fallouts or whether the pigmentation is good. Then the next stuff which I purchased are a few nail paints. These are new nail paints. Two of them are from K Beauty by Katrina. One shade is called as Code Red. This is a bright red color. The other one is called as Me Amor. It's a very pretty magenta color. And this one is from Kiko Milano. It's a very beautiful nude shade actually, which you can easily pull off in the office as well. I have tried it already before, and this is very pretty shade. The other two shades I haven't tried this one yet, but I have tried the red one. It's quite long lasting on your nails, and it's a very pretty shade. I need to try this, but I believe that this also should look very pretty on my nails. So the K Beauty one retails for actually 225 rupees, and the Kiko Milano one for 290 rupees. This retails for 290 rupees. Then I purchased another nail paint that's from Revlon. This is a pearly white color. It's called as Pure Pearl. The shade name is Pure Pearl, and this retails for 225 rupees. It's a very pretty shade. I remember I loved these shades when I was a kid as well, because during those times these pearl colors were quite in fashion, and we had like in pink, in brown, in red, we had these pearl colors, and on your toenails these look very pretty. So this particular color will always be there in my kitty. The last product which I purchased from Nykaa is this Calabar nail polish remover. I have heard great reviews about this product, so I wanted to give it a try. This retails for 125 rupees. I'll definitely try this and give my views on the same. So that's pretty much everything which I purchased from Nykaa. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and stay safe, stay healthy.